Good afternoon. I'm Tim Baroody, City Manager of the City of Fredericksburg. We're here again to report on the preparations and actions as it relates to COVID-19 in the City of Fredericksburg. We have today with us our Director of Public Transit, Fred, Ms. Jamie Jackson, our Director of Park, Recreation, and Events, Ms. Jane Shelhorse, and again, Chief Mike Jones. But before I allow them to offer some quick briefs, I would like to take just a moment to highlight a new community campaign launched this morning by City Council. It's called simply, Step Out, Say Hello. We ask every household in the city to walk out of their front door this evening at 6 p.m. and say hello to your neighbors. Practice social distancing, but check on folks in your neighborhood from your front porch. This is a very important campaign that most everyone can participate in. Imagine thousands of city households checking in on our community. That's what we're all about, especially our elderly and disabled populations. It's simple, just step out and say hello. Again tonight and every night for the foreseeable future at 6 p.m. You can do your part to ensure our neighbors are doing okay in this challenging time. Now I'd like to ask Miss Jamie Jackson to update on Fred Transit. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jamie Jackson. I'm the new Director of Public Transit for Fredericksburg Regional Transit, also known as Fred. Fred has been diligently working over the past couple of weeks to ensure the safety of not only our employees, but the public who utilize our system. Based on COVID-19, we actually have a modified schedule, which still provides the same level or the same service to our transit customers at a modified and reduced level, again, to reduce the impacts or effects on our customers and the public of COVID-19. We are doing regular daily and hourly cleaning of our service to, again, ensure that safety. We have provided modified schedules in print for customers for easy access and viewing of what service we are providing today. Ultimately, our goal is to ensure safe service. We are getting the people in our community around to essential jobs like grocery stores and restaurants that provide those takeout options, and also critical medical care. Again, Fred Transit is doing our part, and we look forward to continuing to serve the Fredericksburg region as we promote good, safe, reliable transit service.
Good afternoon. I'm Jane Shelhorse, Director of Parks, Recreation, and Events for the city. It's a beautiful day out today. I hope everybody gets outside. We need to be self-isolating, but still stand outside. Our trails are still open. Our parks are open. The public restrooms are still open, and they are going to be cleaned at an enhanced schedule. So 3 times a day we're doing that. Unfortunately, we have had to close some of our park amenities, our playgrounds, our courts, our pickleball courts, our tennis courts, our basketball courts, and our hockey rink, because unfortunately, these are facilities that encourage people to congregate at very close distances and have more increased personal contact. So we want you to get out, we want you to be in our parks, but please keep your space. We really are encouraging everyone to follow those CDC guidelines of no gatherings of more than 10 people and keeping the 6-foot distance. So please get out, come walk downtown. It's really pretty. Maybe you can stop and get something from carry out down there, but walk around, use our parks and trails, but please bear with us as we deal with this and try to contain the spread. And one more thing, unfortunately, we've had to cancel our spring sports programs and all of our programs through May. We'll be contacting everybody that's registered on stuff and getting you refunds or credits. We'd love to have you get a credit so that you can, as soon as this is over, can sign up for our next stuff that's going to be going on this fall. So please bear with us, but thanks for our patience, and please enjoy this great sunshine and do what you need to do, move and be outside. Thanks.
Mike Jones, Fire Chief, City of Fredericksburg. Again, bringing you the latest statistics and updates on the city as it moves forward to try to limit the spread of the virus and help protect you and your loved ones. The statistics as of noon today, We are quickly ramping up. We're up to 85,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the United States, and that's resulted in over 1,200 deaths, unfortunately. In Virginia, the testing is also ramping up as we've now tested over 7,300 people, and we have 604 positive cases. That's up over 100 from yesterday. 83 of those requiring hospitalization, and unfortunately 14 deaths throughout the state. In our immediate area, we've also seen an increase up to 16 cases, 11 in Stafford, 3 in Spotsylvania, 1 here in the city, and 1 in King George. The numbers tend to increase every day as more testing becomes available, and I expect that they will continue to increase for the foreseeable future. City services are still operating at full capacity, although with a reduced footprint, and all essential services continue to move forward. Police, fire, EMS, trash pickup, wastewater treatment, and water treatment. If you need assistance, there are many options to you. For stress and coping, please contact the Rappahannock Area Community Services Board hotline at 540-373-6876. If you have minor health issues that do not require EMS, please consider the Mary Washington HealthLink Nurses line at 540-741-1000. If you have questions about the coronavirus, known as COVID-19, you can reach out to the Virginia Department of Health. They've established a call center, and they're open from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. With people there to answer your calls and questions about the coronavirus. That number is 1-877-ASK, A-S-K, VDH3, or 1-877-275-8343. You can always reach us during normal business hours at the city manager's office at 540-372-1010, or we're available at www.fredericksburgva.gov. On a personal note, the business community and some anonymous donors have really stepped it up this past week, and they've either provided or paid for meals for the city's first responders. On behalf of Chief Layton and myself, we greatly appreciate what you've done for our organizations. The men and women of our organizations are working very hard for you, and they greatly appreciate that, as that's one less thing that they have to worry about as they go about their daily businesses. It's nice to see everyone in Fredericksburg coming together to help out during this crisis. Thank you.